Hey everybody, welcome back to Das Lab. What we got here today is some sort of marital aid, or also known as a rolling pin. We use it for pizza here when we make our homemade pizza in the bread maker, and yeah, the odd pie crust, although kind of been buying pie crust more lately. Problem is, it's twofold, but for now the first one is these handles, the rod in here bends, and these handles, make a liar of me. These handles come off, okay, and this little grommet comes out. So I am going to try to use this Sam Squanch type of glue to see if I can get it to stay in there a little bit better than what it is currently at the present, because you know, when you're baking, you gotta do what you have to do, right? Like, I'm not into fixing tools at that point in time. So I'm looking for a little screwdriver for which to get these out, because I know they don't come out right now, but when you start putting the pressure on, they do. So I want to glue them buggers back in. Yeah, so they do come out. And they're like the Teflon bearing. The other thing is, I'm a pretty big guy, and when I'm making the things that I want to make, I got to put a lot of pressure on this. And sorry, I just had to sneeze. This rod does bend. It's pretty flexible, so when I'm on there with the handles, it is bending. So there's a bit of friction there. I'm not going to clean it up. I probably should, but if it comes apart, guess what? I can do it again, right? So I don't think there's any, I don't know if this is toxic or not, but I don't think there's any risk from me putting a bit of this stuff in here. Because it's not like it's really going to be touching the food. Not even going to come out. Oh yeah. So maybe a little bit goes a long way. So there's one. And there's number two. I don't know which glue is best for this, but I'm pretty sure I didn't want to use white glue. Okay, not that I got anything, you know, I don't, when it comes to glue, I don't normally see color. But okay, so that's one. Yeah, sorry about the sniffing. I got the allergies. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Well, it came out. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more on here. You can see what I'm doing too. Go near the end and it'll slide up. Now I got to be careful because I could overdo this and glue the whole thing together. That'd be bad. Probably should have done this a different way. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that sitting there in about the middle, and hopefully it doesn't glue itself to itself, and I'll see what happens. So we'll give that a couple minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I don't know how long it's supposed to take to dry. It didn't say on the bottle, but seems good, and this still spins okay. So hopefully next time we use this, it doesn't slide apart. That's it. That's all I got for you. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, think about subscribing. Hit that like button. I want to see some comments. Where's the fun if you don't participate, you know, in all this? So have fun, be safe, and don't get any on you. See you next time.